This is Mrs. Dawson. We're going to do an example to write an absolute value inequality. The average distance of the planet Pluto from the Sun is 3,647.5 million miles. However, since the orbit is not circular, the distance can differ by as much as 891.5 million miles. That source is the World Almanac. Part A. Write an absolute value inequality to describe the situation. We will allow D to represent the distance from Pluto to the Sun. Since it says the distance can differ by as much as 891.5 million miles, we have an absolute value because we don't know if the distance is greater or less 3,647.5 million miles minus D. If we take the absolute value, the difference could be greater or less by as much as, which means the absolute value will be less than or equal to 891.5 million miles. B. Solve the inequality to find the range of Pluto's distance from the Sun. In Part A, we wrote the inequality that the absolute value of 3,647.5 minus D was less than or equal to 891.5. Let's rewrite this as a compound inequality. Negative 891.5 is less than or equal to 3,647.5 minus D, which was the distance from Pluto to the Sun, is less than or equal to 891.5. We'd like to solve for D. If we isolate D, we need to subtract 3,647.5 from each piece of this inequality. Negative 891.5 minus 3,647.5 is negative 4,539, which will be less than or equal to the opposite of D, less than or equal to negative 2,756. We'd still like to isolate D, so we need to divide by a negative 1. However, in an inequality, if we divide by a negative, the direction of the inequality symbols must reverse. Our new compound inequality is 4,539 is now greater than or equal to the distance between Pluto and the Sun, greater than or equal to 2,756. Our solution set in set notation is that the distance, value of D, is such that 2,756 is less than or equal to D is less than or equal to 4,539, which means the distance of Pluto from the Sun will fall between 2,756 million miles and 4,539 million miles, inclusive.